Guys, look, who's this? Guys, come here. Guys, look. Are we going to play with the ball? Let's play with the ball. Buddy, you going to get the ball? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Come on, get the ball. Come on. Ready? Ready? Here, guys. Guys, you gonna say hi? Here they are. Here are the boys. Hey? You gonna say hi? Look, buddy, look who's here. Who's there, guys? Who's there? You see the little doggies here? That's you. Look at the doggies. Who's that? Who are these doggies? Who is that doggy? Is that you, buddy? Look. Is that you, buddy? Oh, you little cutie pie. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys what our Sunday afternoon is like. And we'll talk to you soon. Hey, buddy, can I give you a little kiss? Thank you. There we go. That's for you guys. Hope you're having a great time. Bye.